Smile greetings. I am Mamta Agarwal, Suchok therapist and lecturer, executive committee member of International Suchok Association, practicing in Hyderabad, India. I am introducing Suchok therapy found by Professor Park Jae-woo of South Korea. He has been coming to India every year and explaining about the therapies. Professor is not with us anymore, but his therapies are keeping us alive and lightened. Suchok, this is a Korean word. Su means hand and chok means feet. So all the ailments are treated on the palm area or on the foot area of a person. This is how we are treating patients every day. Boost up your immunity system. Now today we are learning boosting up our immunity system with the help of nail therapy. What is nail therapy? Each and every nail of a human being in the hands as well as in the legs are a resemblance of its organ in the human body. How to boost your immunity system? We are doing the treatment on the nail. Take a light color green sketch pen which is on water base and color the nail in this manner, exactly the way you are putting the nail polish. Put it in the center of the nail and one dot on top. Take a whole moong seed and place it on the paper tape. Please see that the white portion is visible. Now that has to touch the skin in this manner. Then take the second tape and place it on the nail area in this manner and leave it for 2 hours. You can do this treatment after the breakfast, keep it for 2 hours and remove it. So kindly put an alarm removing the treatment. Once you remove the seeds and the tape, kindly put it in the dustbin. This is how you can boost up your immunity system. Please do this treatment for at least 15 days. This is how you can increase your immunity system in the whole body. Suchok therapy is a natural way of healing with no side effects and no intake of any medications. Still, we need to take precautions while doing Suchok therapy. So the first precaution to be taken is doing the therapy after having a proper meal. If you are fasting or you are hungry for 2-3 days, kindly do not do Suchok therapy. Number 2, please do not do Suchok when you are in pregnancy. Number 3, if you've had a long day and 2-3 nights without sleep or you are having insomnia problems, please do not treat yourself with Suchok therapy. Go to a proper practitioner who can help you. Number 4, you have to be very careful when you are doing Suchok, when you are not allowed to do under any addictions. These are the small precautions when you have to take when you're doing Suchok therapy. Smile thanks.